Where am I going this early in the morning, you ask? Well, I'm going to get those two babies to their new place. Follow me, learn a little bit more about the ATM industry. Alright, this is a thrift store. I ran the cable here, the router is right there. I ran it up and it's gonna come down below here and whoop, the back of the ATM. So yeah, this is the pretty easy setup. All I need to do is program now. We got one down and one more to go. Oh, it is very quick when I call the support. I do it in, I don't know, 20 minutes, not even. Compared to before I used to do it myself, it took me 20 minutes just to programming and maybe 10-15 minutes to figure out how to register a TID, but yeah, just call the guys, they're gonna help you out. I'm trying not to show you the locations obviously, but I arrived on location 2. Here we can actually bolt the ATM down to the floor with concrete anchors. The previous location, the floors was wood, so I'm gonna put wooden screws and I'm gonna put a double adhesive tape. It's the best I can do. But yeah, I'm gonna show you maybe a little bit of the process. I actually do have a video already that I show you how to bolt the ATMs down. I'll leave the link right here somewhere and down below in the link description, so make sure you check it out if you're interested in how to bolt the ATM down. So I think I drilled a hole somewhere here. I can still see the original markings that I did, but I guess there was another marking that I thought that was the right one. And I drilled the hole there.
She's gonna write down little shit in a little book. She's gonna keep that out and use it next time. See, Ralph, you told me to put.
I'll see you there. Alright, I installed that one as well very quickly with the help of the support, and we're going back home now. It's a 3-hour drive. Alright, finished the installation on both of them. The owner here told me that if I have more locations, they're two small cities 30 minutes apart, if I have more locations he's okay to vault them. He learned how to vault today, no problem. I make half, he makes half. Perfect. The locations came from a friend of mine, so they're free. Of course I'll give him something. But like I said, if you're a good person and do good business, people will give you stuff for free, guys. I mean, again, I'll of course give him something. I already offered what to give him, because I don't think it should be free. It's business. Friends is friends, business is business. You need to be courteous. But like I said, if you're a good person and you do good business, people will give you more. So the ATMs I got for those two locations, I took from my worst performing locations. And I just pulled the ATMs out. I've been waiting for quite some time to find new locations so I can relocate them, and finally I did. One was making 7 transactions a month, the other one like 10. So I leave them for 3 months just to see how they go. But it worked out perfectly. That's it for today, guys. Like and sub. Follow me for more info about the ATM industry. I'll see you next time.